So what is inverse of a function? Let f be any function which maps from set A to set B, and it is a 1 1 function, 1 1, and onto function, 1 1 and onto function. Then there exists a unique function, g from B to A, which maps from set B to set A, such that f of x is equal to y. It will imply g of y will be equal to x for all x belongs to set A and for all y belongs to set B. In this case, g is said to be inverse of f. Okay, so we can say that g is equal to f inverse, which maps from B to A, and we can define this as set builder form. So how do we define it? So here are ordered pairs f of x comma x such that x comma f of x belongs to f. Okay, so here we are talking about function is f is 1 1 and onto. Okay, so here we are going to take an example. Let A is a set which has elements 1 2 3 4. B has a set which has elements 2 4 6 8, and f of x is a function in x which is defined as 2x. So if we map these elements, so here we are taking set A and this is set B. Set A has elements 1 2 3 4. Set B has elements 2 4 6 8. So if we put value of x as 1, so we will get output as 2. So f of 1 will be equal to 2 into 1, 2. So 1 will connect to 2. F of 2 will be equal to 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 4. So 2 will connect to 4. F of 3 will be equal to 2 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 6. So 3 will connect to 6. F of 4 will be equal to 2 into 4 will be equal to 8. So here 4 will connect to 8. Okay, so this is a function from set A to set B. This is a function from set A to set B. Okay, so what is the inverse of this function? So we have defined f inverse will be from set B to set A. Okay, so inverse of this function will map like this. Here we are taking this is as set B, this as set A. B has elements 2 4 6 8. A has elements 1 2 3 4, and this is f inverse. So in mapping of function f, 1 maps with 2. So in the inverse of this function, 2 maps with element 1. Similarly, 4 will map to 2, 6 will map to 3, and 8 will map to 4. So this is all about inverse of function. Okay, so here f has elements in form of ordered pair 1 2 2 4 3 6 4 8. So these are the elements of set F. So F inverse will have elements like 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4. So here we can see that the domain of F is equal to elements in set A. Okay, or we can say the first elements here in ordered pair of function F. So domain of this function is 1, 2, 3, 4, and range of F is second elements in ordered pairs. So range of this function is 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, now if we observe this inverse, we can see that domain of F inverse is similarly first element of these ordered pairs. This is 2, 4, 6, 8, and range of F inverse is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we can see here domain of F is equal to range of F inverse, and range of F is equal to domain of F inverse. So here we can say that domain of F inverse is equal to range of F, and range of F inverse is equal to domain of F. So this was all about inverse of a function.